guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. This is Mr. Trueboy 208. Guys, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share, leave a sweet comment, and please don't skip ads, guys. You know, it's another beautiful day, and it's an beautiful morning. We thank God for this chance, and we thank God for this day. You know, it has been a while since I was in Mombasa. I arrived here, and by God's grace, I arrived safely, and I thank God. Those who prayed for me, like I saw messages, oh, safe journey, true boy, you know, I was like, oh my goodness, you know. So currently, the location is, I'm home. This is my home. Those who are new, this is my home over here. Yeah, just look, my beautiful home, my beautiful home. This is my beautiful home, guys, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. So, guys, stay tuned. Today I have a big surprise. I have a big surprise. You know, somebody's decided just to give a surprise to me, a gift, huge gift, guys. You know, I was like, oh my goodness, am I blind or am I not? Like, you know, I never believed. Anyway, you know, it's unbelievable, guys, unbelievable. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys, and just look our chicks, ducks chicks. And this is how we feed them. This is how we feed them, guys. Just look, this is how we feed them. These are our ducks. Just look. We have some chickens all around, you know. So, and very early in the morning, my sister-in-law washed my clothes. And imagine I have a big surprise to them, by the way. I have a big surprise. So, guys, that's how it is. I'm so happy being back, and as we keep on just doing our normal routine, you know, working here and there, you know. So thank you so much for supporting me. I'm really grateful those who supported me, who have been supporting me, and those who have been encouraging me, like they were encouraging me, like, oh, Chuboy, keep going, you know. They were so happy with my videos. So I was like, wow. So that's how it is, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Let me at least do what? Oh, I have to let my mom greet you, guys. Let my mom greet you, because most of people have been asking me, where is how is mom? Mom, just salimia watu. So I have to call mom so that she can greet you guys, you know. So here we are, and yes, I'm in a hurry. So my mom is coming from inside there. This is her house. So we are so grateful. Salimia watu bas.
Hi. Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Are you good?
You good?
So this is my mom, guys, and she's taking breakfast. It's very early in the morning, and I have a big surprise. I'm not going to tell her, but maybe after that she will see by her own eyes, you know. So
Hi.
so we still have a long story. So please, guys, keep watching, stay tuned, and let's meet where we're going, guys. Go with me. I have a big surprise, big surprise, guys. A 1,000th gift. I never believed in the rest of my life, by the way. So stay tuned as we go, guys. I love you all. Stay tuned as we go. One love. What's up? This is October once again. So finally I've reached here, and the big gifts I have to pick it and go back home. So don't ask me which gift As you can see already, we are here, and this is our wholesale, guys. I don't know, like rate, you know, yeah. So that rate, I was surprised with the motorbike, a new one, like it is one. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Mr. BT, for introducing me to this amazing platform, and also Mr. CJ too. You know, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I just want to go and do some of the payment. Let me see how everything is, guys. You know, this is the motorbike that I'm going to purchase. This one here, guys. You know, but you can see this one here. This one here, guys. Just look. Yeah, this one here. How do you see it? Like, so nice, guys. So nice. With me, so nice. Yeah, with me, so nice, and I'm so happy for this. And thank you, Lord, for this people. You know, what I would like to wish you today. Thank you so much, my top gifter. Let me call it was unexpected, like unbelievable surprise, you know. But through God, I've managed to have my own my private motorbike, the one I own from Dr. JUMA, you know. Yeah. So it will help me a lot, like I'll be transporting okay, we have got a lot of plans with the motorbike, so I hope everything is going to be alright, and it's going to help me so much. You know, I'm so happy, so excited. So keep supporting this man, keep showing up. Yes. Okay, like I'm so happy being here. We are going to have. Yes, so I was just trying to tell, like I'm so excited, and I'm really happy for this gift, you know, and I'm so happy, you know. To own this motorbike is not just a simple, like just to wake up and do it, but through your love and support and everything that you've been doing to me, then I have to purchase my motorbike over here, guys, you know. Yeah, like, oh my God. I don't know what I'm going to tell maybe it's probably. I'm extremely happy. Like I feel like wow, you know, things like that, you know. So keep supporting. Let's at least go and do some payment. Then we're gonna purchase this motorbike as we go back to our home, guys. And that's how it is. Yeah, and this is where we're going to. There are a lot of motorbikes around, and yeah. True boy now on a new motorbike. It's crazy. This guy. Yeah. So that's how it is, and we do this. So now this is a true boy, guys, with the new motorbike. And here is where we usually buy some. This is where we bought the Caribbean one. Now I'm going to name this one. You know. So much love, guys. Thank you so much for surprising me, for gifting me huge gifts. Like this one, I scored. I just want to thank God because I'm always just thank you for supporting this African boy. For now, I'm not African boy. No, not village boy, town boy, city boy. You know. So nowadays I'm cruising city, you know, Mombasa, Nairobi. Yeah, and also. So thank you so much, guys. This is my new motorbike. I think now we are going to test it. So really is that. I think now you're going back home. Then you see how everything is done. You know. Thank you so much, guys. You know, I love you so much. I love you so much, and I love you more than you do. So this is my new motorbike. Boxer 125 HD. Yeah, and no need for me to show you maybe a number. Maybe from this one. GN. Yeah. So when you see this GN, just know where it's passing by. Yeah, and that's how it is. So I have to pack my things with the helmets over here for the safety. You know, like last time when I had an accident, it helped me. I thank God because I had a helmet too. You know, that Caribbean jet. You know, last time I had an accident, and you watched the video. It was like. But all in all, God saved me, and you know, I have done things to do, guys. I have nothing to tell, but just thank you, my new motorbike, guys. New motorbike. Thank you so much. So stay tuned as we go. Wow, love you all. Yes. So. How to unbox this? No job. Yes. So that's how it is. Wow. Amazing. Jacket here. Not. My babe. My babe. My new motorbike, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. Thank you. Mom, where's it? Oh my God, where's the mom? Oh, where's she? Yes. So guys, this is my big surprise, my big gift of a new motorbike, box from 125. And hey, you know the sun is coming from the other side. I don't know whether is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So here is my bike, my motorbike. We are going to retest it. Nawaka. Yes. Yes, come and see this. Mbona unaenda hivi? Ama hujafurahia? Kama hujafurahia
Nimefurahia.
Yes. So, yeah, think that's how it is. Yes.
Hongera sana.
Thank you so much, Mom. Hongera is like, how can I say this?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, hey. So, let's go there as we unbox. So come with me. No joke. Now my mom is the first one to sit here. Sit. Yes, now we are riding. All this is because of God. Let's give thanks to Him. Thank you so much, God. Oh my God.
Oh, very good. Very good.
You know, I don't have anything to say. You know, or just to say thank you so much. Thank you a lot, guys. Those two, the one who bought for me this. May God keep blessing you. May God keep adding you more and more and more and more. You know, I'm so excited. I'm so extremely happy. Like I don't have any other words to say about this guy. So may God keep blessing you guys. Like hey. Yes. Now we can unbox this. How are we going to unbox this? Guys.
Must remove that seat.
Put helmet in. Yes, put helmets down. Now we have a new motorbike. Unajisikiaje mama?
Furaha sana.
Ah.
Nimefurahi.
Yeah. Yes. Stay tuned, guys. We are cooking for you. What is good, you know? That's how you are moving this. That's how you are doing this, guys. More blessings, more blessings, more blessings. Somebody's calling me. Who is this? Hello? Hello? Unaenda basi, unavuta unaenda baadaye. Poa. Yes, guys. So that's my young brother. He's calling me. Like, hey, guys. Hey. Amazing. The best gift from the US. Imetoka Marekani ma. Hey.
Asante.
Amerika huko mbali.
Asante. Ndio dona ndege.
Ni mtu alitumanisha pesa ikanunuliwa nikapewa. Yes. Yes. So this is my new bed. This is my new bed.
Mau kupata? Kile tulikutuma. Umeleta?
Kingine kikwata.
Ulimpa karatasi. Tuone. Na vitu vingine. Kuandika vizuri.
Yes, guys. The camera is not okay. Cameraman.
Kitu kingine.
Why you doing that?
Yes.
I don't know how we should do this.
Kama nini? Sasa zingine ulitupa. Mbona ndio yeye amerithi? Hana, alikwambiaje? Karatasi. Alikwambiaje?
How we are going to do this?
Akakuruhusu kumpea.
I don't understand.
Hau kuandika vizuri na kuelewa. Uliandikaje? Akiwaandike. Tene kengera sana watasomele.
Tumaliza post basi.
Natole wapi?
Post. Yes. Unajisikiaje mama leo?
Sikia furaha. Sikia furaha.
Wow. That's cool. So this is my new babe, guys. This is my new babe over here, and I'm so happy with these guys. You know, thank you so much, my subscribers. You know, you are amazing guys, and hey, now mom is so happy, so happy. You know, so happy. You know, like anyway, like you know, I felt like crying. I felt like crying from a big surprise over here, guys. You know, hold for us a camera, please. So guys, finally we are home. We are at home. This is my home. You've been watching my videos. This is my home, guys. You know, and more blessings to come. And these are our helmets over here for safety. You know, this one. Anywhere like this. I have to test. Why not test? Now this is my new baby, guys. Thank you so much, guys. No, I like words. I like words, guys. But for everything, maybe because it's our. Let's start here. Mama ulisema unaomba basi njoo uombe. Guys, you know we are Christians, so mom said, "Yo, I have to pray for it." I've not removed this yet. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Let me open this first. This. See? It's not okay. Yes, it's now okay. Not about now, it's okay. Yeah. So that's how it is. You can pray for us, mom.
Kwa jina la Baba na Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu. Asante Mungu wetu wa mbinguni, tunakushukuru Mungu Baba wa mbinguni, umetupea zawadi ya pikipiki, tumefurahi, tunaomba ibariki Mungu mahali wametoa, Mungu waongezee. Ninaomba Mungu wetu wa mbinguni, ninaombea hao watu waendelee kupata baraka, waendelee kutupatia vitu katika jina la Yesu, watia nguvu. Ninawaombea sana kwa sababu wametenda kitu ambaye kimenifurahisha. Katika jina la Yesu Kristo ninaomba.
Amen. Yeah, so those were the prayers. And to those who don't understand about Swahili, I'm not going just to say everything, but my mom has prayed for you. He has said that I keep supporting his son, which is True Boy, the rising star. True Boy, the rising star. Anyway, I'm going to change the name. I'm going to change because now I'm not a boy, I'm a man. True Boy 208. No, maybe very soon I'm going to change the name. I'm trying to talk about this because yes, like I thought like maybe rising star gonna be okay. Please let me know at the comment section, because there is one of my subscribers told me, oh True Boy, you have to change your name to be rising star because I'm going to be a star. Anyway, I'm going to be a star because God has already started making like opening the ways and widening the way, guys. You know, it was unexpected, and this is the biggest surprise ever. Like, this is my dreams coming true. Maybe very as time goes, very soon we are going to change our background from the mud houses to the modern houses, guys. You know, and I'm sure our plan is going to be successful, because my plan is just to change this. Like you can see the background, you can see my mom's house, how it is very old, maybe very anytime it can fall, you know, but through your support I'm going to make it, and everything is gonna be possible, guys. You are here to support us, and we are here not just to be the way like we have to change maybe clothing, we have to change it. No, we are here to change our lives. Are you far? Maybe you would have, yeah, okay. You have maybe to at least zoom at least so that you come closer, so that they can know, they can hear my voice. Okay, that's why I'm saying that when I started this started this journey, I was expecting to change the life of my family and the life of my mom here. You know, she has been really struggling, taking me to school, and sometimes I was most of the time she's the one who has been working out on school fees, rentals, food, and everything, you know. So I just decided, you know, at least to work hard on the way from the 1 or 2, and at least to change the life, at least to make her happy, you know? Like I never knew like this platform like YouTube gonna change my life like this one. Like I'm very excited. I'm so happy, so much happy to be in this platform, guys. So whenever like even like some days ago you saw us dancing around the compound here. I've already graduated, but I've not yet been employed. But through this platform, YouTube has changed my life, really changed my life. And I'm going to start maybe the biggest progress, the biggest projects around my home, because I'm not going maybe to say, oh, I have to go and build it somewhere else there. No, I have to build first with my mom to make her happy, and that's my wish. You know, that's my wish. When she was starting there, she couldn't even bought new clothes because of me. You know, she has been really working hard to make her son glitter more and more bright. So our future is bright, guys. So this is our new baby over here. this is the first surprise. So as you know, like she always goes to she's a saleswoman. She goes to the market and sells some of the stuff which she has not yet quitted, because she used to that's her work. She used to go and sell whenever she had something less. She could sell to them. So I'll be transporting her to the work using this motorbike, because it's not mine, by the way. It's from God. You know, it's from God. And let me keep appreciating and let me keep thanking God. You know, thank you so much, mom. May God keep blessing you. Mungu aendelee kukubariki. Amina. So from here now, kutoka hapa sasa, sababu tuko na usafiri, tutaanza kujenga very soon. Yes. We are going to start building very soon, guys. Very soon we are going to start building, because I will not be happy. I'm not happy seeing my mom living in this kind of house. You know, it's time to change her life for sure. So if you are willing to support, you can support, and maybe you say, True Boy, let's start the work tomorrow. Or True Boy, let's do this and this and this. You know, because it's my pleasure and her pleasure. You know, when she will living in a modern house, guys. Hey, modern house. She will be like, wow. Now she has to relax at least and enjoy her life, because I'm the last guy who she educated. So right now she don't have that much. We don't require that much expenses, guys. You know, like she has at least to relax. You know, but when you are done with the house, I'm sure she's going to sit, relax, and enjoy the life of her son, the fruits from God. You know, much love, guys. That's how it is. So now we're gonna end the video here, guys. We're gonna end the video. Let's end the video here by saying thank you so much. Thank you so much, God. You know, thank you so much, God. And thank you so much all who subscribed to my channel and who really helped me to be True Boy. You know, like it's unbelievable, guys. By the way, I was like dreaming. Am I dreaming? You know, I had a sleepless night. By the way, I can't write that. I had a sleepless night because I was like, oh, is it true? Is it true? You know. Hey, but the at least is now true. You can see the motorbike over here, and everything is going to be alright there. One love, be blessed, and may God bless you guys. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. You can tell them bye bye, mom. Tell them bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.